Today, you will learn how to convert a Word document into an Excel spreadsheet file. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First method is copy and paste. This is the best and easiest way and works perfectly when your data in Word is already in a table. Open your Word document. Find the table you want to move to Excel. Move your mouse to the top left corner of the table. You will see a small square icon. Click it to select the entire table. You can also click and drag across the table to select it. Now press Ctrl and C to copy the table. Open Excel and open a new or existing workbook. Click on any cell where you want the table to appear. Now press Ctrl and V to paste. That's it. Excel will automatically place the data into rows and columns exactly like the Word table. Column widths and structure will adjust automatically. Now you can format, sort, filter, or calculate the data in Excel. One important tip is, if your Word data is not inside a table, first convert it into a table in Word. Select the data, go to Insert, click Table, and choose Convert Text to Table. Then use the Copy-Paste method. I have a complete tutorial about that. You can watch. Link is in the description of this video, and I button. Second method is to use an online Word to Excel converter. Open your browser and search for a Word to Excel converter. Open any converter website like this first one or similar. Click on Select Files and upload your Word document. Choose the output format as XLSX. Click Convert. After conversion, click Download to save the Excel file to your computer. Open the file in Excel and check the data. If the conversion is not perfect, sometimes the result is not clean. This happens when the Word data is not properly formatted, the table structure is broken, there are extra spaces or line breaks. In this case, fix the table in Microsoft Word first, then try again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy Word and Excel tutorials, share this with students, teachers, and office users. Comment below what problem you want me to solve next.